I'd like to say a quick word about when we have chronic pain, residual pain from accidents, surgeries, from chronic stress in our life. And so we have a more complex experience of pain in the body. What's happening is that the events in our life are energetic. What people say to us, the impact as you fall off the bike and your kinetic energy that you're traveling through space comes to a halt on the ground, and that shock energy is held, frozen in your whole body at the time. So accidents can bring extra energetic components, as well as broken bones and torn and bruised tissues. There's the emotional shock, there's the physical shock, there's the fear, and then all the emotions evolve with the consequences that ensue from there. So there's a lot of stress and blocked energy in accidents and injuries. In surgical procedures, again, we can be fearful and worried going into that process, so that our blocked energy of fear and worry in our system is kind of, affecting our ability to handle and recover from the experience. The emotions we have also, we like the idea of having operations. So, we have emotional blockages about present in us while those physical procedures are happening. So after the physical healing has happened, the energy body, our spirit, still has to heal. And so we want to seek out what these blockages are and find them and help to restore the flow there, so we can get full spiritual healing, and then the body and the mind can properly heal. So accidents, injuries, surgeries, chronic stress, again, we have a lot to deal with, all of us in our life. We can have lots of shock moments and difficult moments in our life. They're also stored in the body. As our relationships go wrong and we go through big changes and we have to deal with a lot on our plate, again, more than we can handle, this is blockage held in the body, manifesting as pain. A lot of physical illness is emotion blocked, trapped in the body. So again, we can seek to find and discover this, to bring our attention and love to this, to assist the flow again, and then restore our spiritual wholeness, and then the body can follow suit. So a few suggestions here for different kinds of pain which need a little bit more investigation to find the place that needs to be healed, that needs love to shine there, in order that complete and lasting relief can be achieved. So I'll explore the steps for this in the next video with you.